Hey guys, my name is Desha and welcome back to my channel. Today I will take you through my organic haul. Guys, I thought why not to make an organic haul where I can show you the mix of things that I got. Few of the items I got it for beach wear, but few of them are like everyday wear, and few are necessities, and I got accessories also. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First item, we have this cute skirt. It is above knee length and yes, totally red in color. Probably this is not the animal print, I guess. Style it with red top. I'll wear flat, that to the beachy one, with a basic hat, maybe a straw hat, and a white beach bag, and that's that. We are good to go. And second item is this shrug. This is totally giving me beach vibes. You can wear it at beaches also, but during summertime you can wear it casually over some top, basic top like white, black, pair it with pants or denims, wide leg denims, and this would look amazing. This is the statement piece, guys. Next item we have is this beige shirt, and this has big statement sleeves. One thing that I want to talk about this shirt here. So I was actually planning for a loose fit where I can probably open one button of the shirt and take the collar back side and tuck the shirt inside the jeans, and big hoops, something that sort of look. But it is good, but it's not fitting in my criteria of loose shirt. So if you are planning to buy this, you have to take one size up. So the next item we have is this baby pink pants. These are wide leg pants, very wide, to be honest, this wide. So I was planning to get one colored pant since very long, and to pair it up I was also eyeing for blazer, but unfortunately I don't think that Urbanic has any blazer to go with this. But this pant is super cool. You can style it in number of ways. This was super cheap as compared to Zara or H&M, but then if you are really into colored pants, then buy it, otherwise it's a hole in the pocket. And the next item we have is this printed maxi dress, and trust me guys, it is the color and the print that made me to purchase this dress. Very cute, and I think it would look cute on anybody. I tried it, my sister tried it, and we both actually loved this dress. She was planning to visit Goa and she borrowed this dress from me, and this dress was looking stunning on her. If you really are into printed and color stuff, then go and purchase this. So the next item we have is this skin color brown tone sleepwear with me, and this is super soft, guys. I don't want to brag about it, but I have used it like couple of times. It has been washed like 10 times. This is my favorite because this is super soft, and also like it wasn't on the very expensive side. For your day-to-day wear, I guess this is the best piece that you can find in terms of quality, and also this is very affordable, so you don't have to miss this. So the next item we have this crochet pant. So one side is totally black and one side is white. I paired it with white crochet top and wore a big shrug over it. To cinch my waist, I guess I wore a belt, and it was looking so amazing on me. I guess if you're planning to travel outside India, then this is the right fit. Somebody is thinking to carry this in India, then this is not the right fit because the pants are really sheer. So the next item we have is this sarong skirt. Man, this would totally flaunt your waist. You can wear it as a high waist or as a low waist as per your convenience, and this is little sheer, so you can like when you are going to beachside over your bikini, you can wear it. Guys, the material is very transy, so if you're gonna wear it over your orange bikini or some bold solid color bikini, so that would peep out through it, and I think that would not look good. If your bikini is white in color or nudish bikini, then this skirt would look amazing. Just to try the quality, I got few accessories also. So the one is this big 90s necklace. Show it to you. and quality is okay, not that bad and neither very good. But the second piece is this shell one. I got it for Maldives, but I guess I'm using it right now way too much, and you can see the look on me. That's it. This was my Urbanic haul. All pieces were under 9,000 rupees, and to be honest, some of them are still lying in my cupboard to be styled. As you have seen, some of them are beach wear, so that's that. Now guys, if you really like watching my hauls, please subscribe to my channel. Do like this video and share this as much as you can. It really means a lot to me.